cutie. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today I'm going to be creating this look for you guys. This is my everyday look. This look is really easy to achieve. This is a very simple soft glam look. This is the type of look I do when I just want to look glam but not too flashy, you know. So if you guys would like to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. For today's, I want to do a quick soft glam look. I always start out with my base first before I go on to the eyeshadow because I'm not going to be doing anything too dramatic. So I have my foundation here in a brush. I'm just going to be applying that all over my face, just tapping it on. So I forgot to also add that I added primer and moisturizer underneath my foundation. After applying the foundation, I go into my beauty blender to smoothen everything out. Now my foundation is done. I usually go in with my concealer afterwards. I also did my brows off camera. If you guys noticed, I have a really detailed eyebrow tutorial, but if you guys would like an updated version, I'll be sure to deliver it for you guys. So when it comes to my everyday soft glam look, the point is to look like we didn't add much makeup, but you know, between the both of us we added makeup, you know. So the whole point is to look natural but yet glam. I recently just uploaded my detailed highlight and contour routine, which I'm going to leave a card here to watch after you watch this video. So my contour is done. Now I'm going to go in and blend out my concealer. I actually left it to dry a bit to get even more coverage, and it's time for me to blend it out. So as I'm blending under my eyes, I'm also gonna add the concealer on my lid because for this look I'm not gonna be adding eyeshadow. This is supposed to be an everyday easy soft glam look, so I'm not gonna be adding eyeshadow. It's just gonna be focused on the skin work. I'm also going to be blending the concealer into my contour just so I won't have any lines. It's just going to mesh in together as I go. Now we're done with the highlight and contour. I would normally go in straight into my powder. For today, this is an everyday makeup look, so I'm not going to be baking. I'm just going to be mixing my Milani Compact powder, which is my skin tone powder, and my benign banana powder, which is my highlight powder. I'm going to be mixing them together with this powder puff, so just to get a perfect shade to set. I'm just going to be pressing it into my skin instead of baking. As I'm pressing it on here, I'm also going to be applying it on my lid too, because we won't be putting eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be setting the concealer I applied on my eyelid. You don't need to bake every day, you just need to set your face. What do you guys think? Ooh, this is so good. Wow, I love this. I love this. I went on to just add a little bit of powder under my eyes. I know I said I was not going to be baking today, but I just felt like my under eyes were not bright enough the way I wanted it to be, so I just added a little bit of powder, not that much. Sometimes I do it when I feel like I'm not getting that oomph I want. I'm going to be mixing these two shades together, and I'm going to be using that to contour my face, more like bronze instead of contour. Once I'm in a rush, I don't really do much contour. I just do light bronzing just to add a little bit of warmth to my face. So while I'm applying my contour, I'm also going to use those two shades and also just apply it on my lid just to add a little bit of color, so it just won't be plain. Just adding it on just because why not. So I'm going to be using a brown gel liner, and I'm going to line my waterline and on top of my eyes, just so when I apply the lashes, it's just not going to have that lash band showing. This is a tip I shared on my eyelash tutorial video. going to go into a pair of falsies, and I'm just going to be applying that on my eyes. We'll do that off camera, but this step is not compulsory if you want an everyday look. Just like this, my nails, the baking. This is a beautiful cute look, which looks amazing. So you don't need to apply false lashes. It's just something I like. This is my everyday makeup look. I really love adding so much blush because it just makes me look cute. Cutie. So I went on to apply very non-dramatic lashes, and I also applied a little bit of highlighter on my inner corners, just to give the eyes a little bit of life. Next up, I'm going to highlight my skin, and when it comes to highlighting for this type of look, you don't need to go overboard with it. I like going in with a very mild highlighter just to give it a little bit of glow. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of gloss on my lips. This is what I do for an everyday look. And that concludes the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter, all Mathildaduku. I'm gonna leave it on the screen here and also put a link in my description bar. If you guys have any video requests, leave it down in the comment. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.